Okay. Hi, I'm Paola Toledo Andrade. And how are
Hi,
you?
Pam. I am Adriana, and today I feel very hungry now, and maybe a little nervous. And you?
Me
How
too.
are you?
Good, and it's okay. What have you done?
Today I I do in 30 minutes uh, uh, a design of a dress because I am studying fashion design. So I think that is harder in 30 minutes do the sketch and draw and yes,
It's
it's
difficult.
hard.
Okay.
Think all of these things that complements and elements. Then have uh, color and uh, bre- uh, and breakfast. So I think that it's late to breakfast at 11 or 12 a.m. But in the morning I can't do it. And then do the oral exam. Now here I am.
Okay.
And you?
I only do homework and eat. I don't take my breakfast, but that's it. And the oral exam equal like you here. Okay, now we are going to do in the segment number 9. And do you think the environment projects like plastic can make people change their behavior? Why or why not?
I think that plus plasticky is a really important project, but I think that the projects don't change the behavior of the people or maybe on the society. It depends for the people, her attitude, her personality, and maybe her beginnings. So this is a mix that the people. I think that you have to change if you want it. So I think that the projects maybe don't do it, but it's a really connection to do it. It's important for the environment, for the society, for the people do these things, but it's really difficult change the behavior of the people. And what do you think
I think
about this?
it's interesting, no? I think that yes, because why the people doesn't make it like a little by little, take considerance and realize that we already doing a lot of damage if continue to behave like this.
Yes, it's a really damage for. I think that with the with the pace of the time, all the people are destroy little by little the earth, and it's important change this situation because it's the only earth in all the world that all the people that lives. So it's important take care with with the earth and the people and the environment.
Okay, okay. The second question is, in your country, doesn't anyone try to change people behavior in these areas? How do they do this?
Uh, I think that recycling more trash is the top of all these topics because um, the people want a change and they beginning with maybe separate the trash, recycling, and with the things that they recycle, do other things, like, for example, I think that have a company that they do uh, bags with thin uh, bottle plastic bottles.
Okay,
So
like
I think that's really important do the change in in some areas. And recycling is very important for the environment that I say. And what do you think in your area? Have they are people that wants to change the behavior of the society in recycle more trash, or maybe stopping smoking, driving on over the speed limit, or something like this?
yes, in my country there are few people who actually do it, but there are super eco-friendly people who care a lot of the environment, and what they do is try to stop using plastics and bags. And the three are recycle, reduce, no, recycle, reduce, and reuse. No, I think that's
Yes.
that. And many recycle garbage. Others stop using plastics. Others stop smoking. Tell me, Adriana, do you recycle or something like that?
Uh, Now I am living in a in apartment, so in the trash can, the to the unity is only for separate organic and inorganic things. And my department is really small. There are living the 6 persons, 3 dogs, and things that is a small place for all of these people. and and I think that recycle in this environment, in my environment, is difficult. But we separate things on
The gar-
maybe organic paper. Yes, this we can recycle. Maybe in make other notebooks. My mom do this for she. And I think that it's all. I can we can do more, but I don't know we can do it. And your family recycle, or you?
um, I know the truth is that I hardly do anything of that, but I try to recycle the pets of water. I try to reuse, and that's it. I separate the garbage, and that's only my family and I. It's like ¿cómo se le dice? Ignorantes.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, ignore this. And I'm a co- compulsive consumer of Lay's, and I always use the plastic in this.
Yes, I think that is a problem of all the Mexican people, because we don't have their habits or the routine to separate and recycling. And it's very important do these things, but maybe is like for maybe for example, in Mexico City, all the people is running for maybe running for the school, running for shopping, running for uh, for your
For all
job. Uh,
things.
yes, and you don't have all the time to separate. And yes, paper, yes. uh
Yes, my
it,
mother says that life in Mexico City is so apresurada.
yes, it's a busy city,
Yes,
because for
don't have time to nothing.
yes, only um to go to went to my high school take me 2 hours from my home to the high school, and
In
it's
my city,
really
when I go, bueno, when I went to my high school, I take 2 minutes.
oh,
Yes, it's to share the camino.
it's so cool. No, in my
Well,
case,
but
it's
you can sleep
really harder.
when you went to your high school.
Uh, I slept like maybe 5 hours in the best time. And in one time, I sleep like 2 hours
Oh,
do for don't have any time to do homework, and I I am a really active person. In the high
okay.
school, I go to maybe to the gym and artistics and all the my classes. So I I don't remember this word. Ah,
And what time did you come in to the classes?
ay, no creo que sí sé salir. Pero, uh, I get out to my classes at 5 or 6 p.m. And yes, it's all the day in the school.
All
And
day in the school, yes.
yes, and I went to my home like arrive at 9 p.m., 12 p.m. No, 12, no, 10 p.m. And then do homework, sleep all the time that you can do it. So I think that it's harder in the live in Mexico City,
It's very,
and yes, and change your behavior in these areas like recycle or separate your garbage, your trash, and
yes, you don't have time to
it's
know.
it, yes, it's not impossible, but it's difficult and harder.
Okay, it was a very nice conversation with you, and see you later.
I would like to talk with you one more time, but bye bye.
Bye.